why is your religion so
It's beautiful.
bent? No, opposite of beautiful.
Why?
Bent on killing and murder and
Right.
all of that of people that don't believe that they call them.
So let me ask you something. When you say that, and I'm not going to take that as racist, I'm just going to walk it through, right? Who started world wars?
People.
What religion?
I'm not
Hitler was what religion? Was he a Muslim?
who.
Hitler.
Hitler was, if
Did he believe in Christ?
he may have, but there are people that believe in Christ that are not Christ believers.
Okay.
They're not
So
Christians.
the
They're
world,
far
so the
from-
world wars were both originated in Europe between Christian people. Whether you were good Christians or not, we're not judging them right now, right? If you look at the Spanish Inquisition, where they massacred, genocided anybody that wasn't their form of Christianity, was that Muslims?
Oh, those were
Those were
Christians that were doing bad things.
Christians doing bad things. So when there are Muslims doing bad things, why do you blame Islam? But when Christians do bad things, you don't blame Christianity.
I don't believe in Christianity because they were not following Christianity.
Excellent. So do you believe? So do you believe, as Muslims, when we ruled Spain, when we ruled Palestine under Salahuddin Ayyubi, did we do those things? We didn't. Under Muslim Spain, Christians were allowed to live, practice. Jews were allowed to live and practice. Because Islam teaches us if you kill one person unjustly, it's like killing all of mankind.
Really?
Yes.
Why is so much killing going on in the Muslim world?
You tell me, would it be maybe Muslims that are not doing things that are in the Quran? Or is it geopolitics? Like, for example, in Iraq, why did we invade Iraq as the U.S.? Was it a religious thing? Right? You see what I'm saying?
Why did the U.S.?
Yes, invade Iraq.
It's not a religious thing.
Did Iraq invade the U.S.?
No, Iraq.
Did what?
Didn't they invade their neighbor?
Between Kuwait and them, and then Iraq left that. That was, you're talking about the first Bush's time. After 9/11, when we invaded Kuwait, Iraq had not invaded anybody. Right? So why did we go? 3 million innocent Iraqis died. 3 million. Right? Not by Muslims, right? So now when you say Muslim world, it's a very racist, prejudiced statement because you're taking geopolitics and putting it on Muslims. When the opposite is true, when Christians do something, then you say they're just bad Christians, right? But the religion of Islam is not responsible for that, right?
What happens, we're not doing, when wars happen, they're not done in the name of Christianity.
Really? So crusades were not in the name of Christianity? Oh, that was back then. Oh, that was wrong. The 7 crusades, those were just nothing.
No, I'm saying that back
Till
in that
today,
time, there was
Till today, when you have, for example, in South Sudan, Christian militias that are attacking each other, killing, massacring with the cross, that's
They're
different.
wrong.
They're wrong. So then any Muslim that unjustly kills anybody is also wrong. But why do you blame the religion for Muslims, but not the religion for Christians? Don't you think that's prejudice?
because there are imams that perpetuate it.
And there are not priests and pastors that don't?
Well,
The Pope didn't sanction that?
we don't claim them to be real Christians.
Then we do not claim those imams that shed innocent blood to be real Muslims. They're Khawarij. You know
You
Khawarij?
need to come out and make it very,
We
very
do.
clear.
We do. When is the last time you saw me on Fox? Go home, tell O'Reilly to call me, and I'll make it very clear. When is the last time you condemned the KKK?
I would condemn them.
No,
anytime.
I'm saying when is the last time you did?
Last time I have never.
So why not? You see the double standard? But do you see the double standard? But see, the KKK is not in existence?
Well, not that I'm aware of.
Oh, come on. You don't think the KKK exists?
So I'm sure
They
that
kill
there-
people every year.
I'm sure there are
The
some
burning crosses, the hoods, Charlotte.
go on anymore.
Really?
Back in the 20s.
Wow. Let me just educate you today, okay?
If it happens, it very,
I got you.
very rare.
Look, this is now. Okay? These are clan meetings in our time. Right? This is going on right now. You see those hoods? You see those people in Charlotte when they had people from the clan come out? This is today. For you to say this doesn't happen anymore shows a blissful ignorance on your part. But it's okay. I got you. These are people, you see these pictures? That's not the 20s and 40s and 50s. That's today. And you haven't condemned them recently. But it's funny that you expect me to condemn Muslims. Why don't you do it? But you don't hold that responsibility for yourself.
For sure, I would condemn those.
Excellent. When is the last time you did?
Oh, I'm not around them.
Exactly. I'm not around those that kill innocent people from Muslims. But it's funny the double standard that you held. But that's okay. Let's do this. I will condemn any Muslim that sheds innocent blood, and you condemn any Christian that sheds innocent blood.
I would agree to that.
We will agree to that.